Alright guys, today we're going to do an honest unboxing for Honest Ape's new scent release. So stay tuned for it. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings. We also have a beard advice series where you guys can send in a couple of pictures to me to the email address you see below. I take a look at that for a couple weeks. You get featured in your own beard advice series video. We're having a great time with that, so check that out if you haven't. And today we've got Honest Ape. Honest Ape is moved to the top echelon of beard product companies. They've got lots of scents. They kind of had a lot that they started with, and then they've had some seasonal scents, and then they've kind of upped their game from what I understand with Prohibition and Custer, and then now they've got the new one, which is 1812. And I think that's what's in here. Rob reached out to me and said, hey, I want to send this to you. Let's check it out. So be glad to do that. I appreciate friendship there, Rob. I don't get to talk to you as much as I would like. But Rob was actually one of the first companies to actually send me out beard products to review. That was Sherlock and 10 Cent Jimmy. That's the other one. So Sherlock has been one of my top 10 scents ever since I've gotten it. And I'm kind of finalizing my top 10 list. I'll be looking for that and to see if it's still home there. Probably be releasing that in the next few weeks. But this one, great presentation, as always. Thanks for all your support, and I hope you enjoy this. I hope I do too. So it sounds like a pretty complex scent. So let's see what we've got in here. We've got the sticker with the 1812, and then we've got a zip balm and the oil. Okay, and I think I know what the scent profile is. I was watching the Bearded Roundtable the other night. So if you guys don't watch that normally, make sure you go back and follow those guys. And beautiful presentation. Take a look at that. It's really upped his game. The first things I have is the really old labels, and then I bought later on. I bought the seasonal scents, the Frosty and the Harvest Moon. Really started becoming more complex, and I think this one's going to be complex as well. But let's see. We've got sweet almond, avocado, grapeseed, and vitamin E oils. Okay, it contains fruit and nut oils and all of that kind of good stuff. So let's see what we think. That's nice. I get all of the stuff that's supposed to be in it, I think. I get the coffee and the leather, and then something else a little bit sweeter, a little clean back there. I think that's the clean linen in it. I don't really get a whole lot of gunpowder. I mean, I know what gunpowder smells like, especially after it's been shot. I don't know if this is supposed to smell like it pre-shot or not. Probably so it wouldn't have that smokiness to it. I like that. I'm gonna have to warm it up. That is pretty complex. It's still kind of got the darker tones of the coffee and the leather, but it also has some sweetness to it and some cleanness to it with the linen. Yeah, when you warm it up, you get the top notes come off of it. Coffee goes away. Usually it's the first thing to go away. If you got coffee or an orange, citrus kind of stuff, it usually goes away the first. So the coffee goes away, and now I smell more of the gunpowder and the clean linen and the leather. Okay, the leather's taking a back seat, and it seems like the gunpowder and the clean linen is what's coming up on that. Okay, so that's going to be neat to see how long it lasts in the beard. And this one that's this complex probably will change throughout the day. And then the balm, it's got the nice contrast there with the dark, I think it's amber or black kind of plastic container, but it also has the metal, the tin lid to it with the nice sticker. And it just has beeswax, organic coconut, sweet almond, avocado, grapeseed, and vitamin E oils. Okay. Okay, and it didn't melt. Okay, beeswax is one of the best emulsifiers out there. So why put beeswax in it? It keeps your concoction together instead of it starting to separate. So beeswax is actually one of the best things for that. I'm gonna have to compare them again. Yeah, I've noticed this a lot with balms. You kind of get the same thing as the oil, but kind of once you've warmed it up in your hands, it kind of the top note, whatever's emanating from the oil, is kind of a flatter smell and smells a little bit more. I get more of the clean linen in this, and comes out nice and neat. Even though there's no butter in it, it's definitely very buttery. Okay, one of the best conditioning balms on the market. I think with the next new release, he's also going to come out with a higher hold balm option, at least. So that's going to be neat because I'm all about the high hold balm. But definitely a good scent. I'm looking forward to trying this out some more. So special thanks to Rob and all the guys from Honest Ape for sending that out to me. It's always fun to kind of get a new scent release. It's kind of one of the most fun things in the bearded community. So I know they've already got another one in the works as well. So make sure you follow Honest Ape. If you haven't tried their stuff, please do. They got a lot of stuff to choose from. Sherlock's one of the best. I haven't tried the Prohibition or the Custer. I've heard a lot of good things about the Prohibition, and I know the 1812 is going to be making some top lists as well. All right, so thanks for joining me, and stay tuned. We'll have more coming up soon.